Okay. This one.
You can see the arrow, right?
Okay. So what? Okay, now the tire, this green arrow, what does it mean?
The green arrow coming down to the battery means the power
It's charging.
of the tire charging the battery.
Okay.
Yes. Because as the wheels rotate, it will charge the battery. And when you brake, it does the same thing. But when you floor it, then the power will come from the battery and also the petrol engine together.
Oh, when okay, understand. When it's coasting,
Yes.
now it's using engine and battery.
Power and the engine, and the battery as well.
I see.
So there's 2 arrows coming to the wheels.
I see. Okay. And then now I'm coasting, it's recharging.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, understand. Oh, good. This display.
So if we to switch to electric mode fully, then you won't see any charging.
Can we switch to?
Yes, can, but it will be below 60.
Oh, once I go above 60.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you see EV mode currently not available.
Oh, okay. So I slow down a
So it
bit.
needs to be below 60.
Okay. So now can.
Okay, let's switch here. Okay, so right now on the right side we can see EV. Now we are on pure electric mode.
I see.
Yeah. But the RPM cannot be above 3.
Okay. Then how long can it sustain?
Well, you can try it.
Try. Oh, you never try. Okay.
A few traffic lights lah. Because right now battery is full bar. Okay, now it's coming down to now it's at 6 feet.
Oh, you will automatically deactivate once I pass 60.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. So not suitable for the highway, but suitable for traffic jam.
Yes. Okay. Yeah lah, cannot lah. Below 60 too slow.
But if the hybrid is quite powerful, then you can do like Tesla, 0 to 100 in few seconds.
This car, no.